What's up, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to talk about the Huawei Nova 3 and Nova 3i smartphones. So recently lots of people were asking me that what are the differences between these two devices, because they look same, they have same design, even the name is pretty much similar. So what are the differences between these two smartphones, Nova 3 and Nova 3i, and which device they should buy? So in this video I'm just going to cover the differences between Huawei Nova 3 and 3i. So let's just start it. So the difference number one is the processor. As you can see that Huawei Nova 3 comes with Kirin 970 processor, while Nova 3i comes with Kirin 710 processor. Kirin 970 is the flagship processor of Huawei so far. Until the Mate 20 series is not going to be launched with Kirin 980. So Nova 3 comes with a flagship processor. Also the GPU used is Mali G72 on Nova 3, while Nova 3i comes with Mali G51 GPU. So this is one of the major difference between Huawei Nova 3 and 3i, that it comes with Kirin 970 processor along with Mali G72 GPU, and Huawei Nova 3i comes with Kirin 710 processor. So the performance of Huawei Nova 3 is going to be better compared to Huawei Nova 3i, especially when it comes to gaming. The second difference between Huawei Nova 3 and 3i is in terms of camera. If you have a look on the camera module, it looks exactly same, but there are differences. In terms of front-facing camera, both are exactly same, there is no difference. But when we are talking about the rear camera setup, there are major differences. The very first difference is that even though both of these devices come with dual camera setup, the second camera provided in Huawei Nova 3 is a dedicated monochrome one. While on Nova 3i, there is just 2 megapixel depth sensor camera is provided. Another major difference is in terms of aperture. As you can see, Huawei Nova 3i comes with f/2.2 aperture, while Nova 3 comes with f/1.8. So the camera performance of Huawei Nova 3 is going to be better compared to Huawei Nova 3i in terms of quality, especially when it comes to low light imaging. So this is the difference number 2, that is the camera quality and performance. In terms of camera UI and feature, both devices are exactly same, but again one major difference is that Huawei Nova 3 is capable of recording 4K videos, while this feature is not available on Huawei Nova 3i. The difference number 4 is the battery capacity of these two devices. Huawei Nova 3 comes with 3750 mAh battery, and Huawei Nova 3i it comes with 3340 mAh battery. So obviously in terms of battery capacity, Huawei Nova 3 is better compared to Huawei Nova 3i, and also in terms of performance as well, because Huawei Nova 3 comes with Kirin 970 processor that is more energy efficient compared to Kirin 710 processor of Huawei Nova 3i. So this is another difference between Huawei Nova 3 and Nova 3i, that is the battery capacity. The difference number 4 is in terms of design. Basically the design of both of these devices is exactly same, as you can see from the front and also from the back, but the color variants available for both of these devices are different. Iris purple and black color variants are available for both of these devices, but the pearl white color option is exclusively available for Huawei Nova 3i, while blue, gold and red color options are only available on Huawei Nova 3. So this is also a major difference if you are so much concerned about the color variant of the smartphone you are going to buy, that white color option is only available on Huawei Nova 3i, and blue, gold, red color options are only available on Nova 3. And the next difference between Huawei Nova 3 and 3i is in terms of battery charging speed. Huawei Nova 3i comes with 10-watt charger and it does not support quick charging, while Huawei Nova 3 comes with 18-watt charger and it supports quick charging feature. So the battery charging speed of Huawei Nova 3 is going to be better compared to Huawei Nova 3i. So these are the major differences between these two smartphones, Huawei Nova 3 and Nova 3i. The first one is the hardware, second one is camera performance and feature, third one is the battery life, the fourth one is color variants, and fifth one is the battery charging speed. If you have any other questions in your mind that you would like to ask about the difference between these two smartphones or any other questions in general, then do not forget to leave it in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.